Hazrat Abu Hurairah radiallahu anhu says, "We were present in the battle of Khaybar, and Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam informed about a person that he was one of the denizens of hell. When the fighting started, that man displayed many feats of daring and at last got seriously wounded. So some people were about to doubt the Prophet's word. But when the pang of the wounds made him restless, he put his hand into his quiver, drew an arrow out, and pierced it into his throat. So some Muslims rushed towards Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam and submitted. O Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam, Allah Jalla Jalaluhu has proved your words true. So and so has committed suicide by stabbing his throat with an arrow. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, O so and so, get up and announce it amongst the people. None will enter paradise but a believer. Undoubtedly, Allah reinforces His religion through a sinful man. Hazrat Maimar has corroborated it from Zuhri. Sahih Bukhari Hadith number 4203.